In modern industry, powerful machines move massive loads every day. But even with advanced engineering, safety and precision remain the most important tools. From heavy transport to complex lifting operations, these moments reveal how skill, preparation, and responsible technology keep the world moving forward. Rain changes everything on the road. When surfaces turn slick, reducing speed early and avoiding sudden braking becomes the safest choice. Control begins long before danger appears. Large trucks demand space and awareness. A quick glance in the mirror and leaving extra room for heavy vehicles. Keeping your lane steady is just as important, especially when the road shoulder looks unstable. A small correction at the wrong moment can lead to a serious loss of balance. Safety often begins with simple habits. Buckling a seatbelt takes only a second, but it can make the difference between a close call and a tragedy. Vehicle lights serve as lifelines during difficult conditions. Taking a moment to slow down and remain visible ensures that everyone on the road reaches home safely. In one incident, a pickup truck had almost no time to react. Within seconds, a structure collapsed from above, transforming what looked harmless into a dangerous situation. Far to the north, in the frozen region of Yakutia along the Indigirka River, winter itself forms the road. Here, vehicles move across ice and snow, where the terrain is shaped not by asphalt, but by the relentless Arctic climate. Only experienced drivers dare to navigate such conditions. Transporting multiple vehicles also carries hidden risks. Every collision can trigger a chain reaction of financial and mechanical losses. Preparation and insurance become as important as driving skill. In another moment, a vehicle loses grip on a steep section and slides down into a ravine. Once gravity takes over, there is almost no opportunity to correct the situation. Driving beyond your true level of control is one of the most common causes of accidents. Responsible operators understand their limits and adjust their speed accordingly. Elsewhere, a lifting operation ends abruptly when a cable snaps while raising a statue. The structure crashes to the ground, shattering instantly and demonstrating how vital equipment inspections truly are. Cargo must always be secured carefully. Tight straps and properly closed safety latches prevent loads from shifting during transport. Mechanical reliability also begins with maintenance. Wheel hubs must be serviced, and every lug nut tightened properly before departure. When rain falls, experienced drivers brake earlier and rely on engine braking to maintain stability. Sudden inputs often lead to loss of traction. Cargo placement matters as well. Strapping loads at low points and distributing weight evenly before turning can prevent dangerous shifts in balance. Scenes like these also reveal why heavy rescue operations are never a one-person effort. Successful recovery requires coordination, teamwork, and careful communication between multiple operators. Sometimes problems begin quietly. A trailer may start to sway slowly, transmitting subtle vibrations through the steering wheel. These small signals warn that the balance of the load is gradually disappearing. On steep slopes, trailer brakes and ground spotters play a crucial role in maintaining safe movement. Strong crosswinds can also destabilize vehicles. Slowing down and holding the steering wheel firmly helps drivers maintain control. When trailers begin to wobble, sudden steering movements can worsen the situation. Reducing speed gradually is usually the safest response. Overloading a vehicle above its rated capacity creates unnecessary danger. Keeping the weight low and evenly distributed on the deck is essential. Proper tongue weight and smooth shifting contribute greatly to towing stability. Even experienced drivers rely on careful adjustments rather than aggressive control. Before moving heavy equipment, Placing wheel chocks and assigning a spotter helps prevent unintended movement. In another situation, a crane loses balance while lifting a load. Moments like this raise an important question. Could proper weight distribution have prevented the incident? Mechanical strength alone is never enough. When combined with experience, discipline, and safety procedures, even the most dangerous rescue operations can be carried out smoothly. Under high-voltage power lines, professionalism and coordination ensure that both workers and equipment remain safe. Some operations require patience above all else. A massive industrial component leaving a manufacturing plant represents years of engineering effort and demands careful planning for transport. Even a small miscalculation, such as incorrectly judging a turning radius, can disrupt surrounding traffic and cause widespread consequences. Sometimes accidents happen because a raised dump bed strikes an overhead structure. Checking control switches before driving away could prevent such costly mistakes. On a narrow bend, a truck leans dangerously and nearly crushes a parked vehicle. Taking corners slowly is always the safer option. Even bumps in the road can shift cargo unexpectedly. Mirrors should always be checked after crossing uneven surfaces. Lifting operations remain among the most delicate tasks. When a crane tilts mid-lift, the consequences can be sudden and severe. Large demolition projects also demonstrate the immense forces involved. Towers and chimneys collapse in carefully planned explosions that reshape entire industrial sites. Yet, even in controlled environments, unexpected forces sometimes cause structures like crane towers to fall dramatically. Environmental hazards add another layer of risk. Grassland fires near highways create conditions where drivers must remain extremely alert. In one situation, although the vehicle was damaged, the driver fortunately escaped without injury. Engineering challenges appear everywhere in heavy industry. A massive axle bearing weighing more than 40,000 pounds becomes a real test of mechanical limits. When two enormous machines in a port facility collide, the result is rarely simple damage. Steel bends, plans collapse, and the cost of repairs often reaches far beyond the initial accident. Green technology and modern engineering aim to make heavy industry safer and more efficient.